If you are still using Canva just to slap text on template, then you are using 10% of what it can actually do now. Canva quietly rolled out AI features in 2026 that most people, including agencies charging you for design, don't know exist. I tested 5 of them. Some will save your team hours a week. One might replace a tool you're paying for right now. Let's go. Hi everyone, if you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Yvonne Jack. I'm a social media strategist. I work with tech and SaaS companies on content and strategy. So I'm not testing this as a designer. I'm testing them as someone who needs output fast on brands without hiring a design team. That's the lens for this whole video, okay? This is the one that nobody is talking about, and it's the biggest one. Canva can now connect directly to Slack, Gmail, Google Drive, Notion, Zoom, and your calendar. That means Canva AI can read your actual conversations, emails, and meeting notes and turn them into content. So instead of you manually summarizing a client's call into a deck, you can ask Canva AI to do it. For a solo strategist or two-person marketing team, this is the closest to hiring an assistant. Feature 2, Canva Code. With Canva Code, you can now build and edit actual interactive web content inside Canva. Landing pages, simple web experiences, even importing an existing HTML file and editing it visually. If you've ever wanted a capture microsite for a launch and didn't want a developer for a 2-day job, this is built for exactly that gap. Sheets AI. Yes, Canva does spreadsheets now. An AI layer can generate and analyze data inside them. If you're tracking content performance, client pipelines, or campaign numbers, you don't need a bounce between Canva and Google Sheets anymore. Of course, it's not replacing Excel for heavy modeling, right? But for a marketer tracking a content calendar or a simple KPI tracker, it's one less tab open. Feature 4, we have image to video with real human faces, right? Image to video got a major update. You can upload a still photo and Canva animates it into a few seconds of natural motion. The update that matters is that it now works on human faces, not just objects and landscapes. Forgot to record a testimonial on video, have a headshot instead. You can turn that into short, natural looking video content. This is not a replacement for real video, but for filling gaps in a content calendar, it's genuinely useful. The last one, and I genuinely feel like this one is the quiet time saver. Canva's AI now has persistent memory. Set your brand colors, fonts, and logo at once, and every new design starts on brand automatically. No manually reapplying your brand kit every time. It also learns your style over time. The more you use it, the fewer manual brand corrections you make. If you are managing brand consistency across multiple clients or platforms, this cuts real time. So I have a bonus feature, right? The AI carousel generation. Since I use this one constantly, Canva AI can now generate a full Instagram carousel from a single prompt. Describe your topic and slide count, and it builds the sequence, copy, and layout in your brand colors. This is the one I actually run every week for my content. I ask it for 5 slide carousels on a topic. It drafts the structure and I edit from there instead of starting blank. It's not hidden but paired with brand kit. Auto apply from earlier. It's the fastest way to keep consistent carousel system running without rebuilding it every time. Remember, none of this replaces a strategy. That's still all on you. But if you're a solo marketer or a small team trying to move at the speed of a bigger agency, these 5 features close a real gap. Try connectors and leaving memory first. Those 2 alone will save you the most time. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. And remember, I always break down tools like this for people building brands and businesses without a big team behind them. Drop a comment. Which of these 5 would you first try, or have you tried and it worked for you? And check out this video here. You wouldn't want to miss this. It's very, very valuable. See you on my next video. Bye guys.